Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this liquid animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, let's go to shapes and let's create new ellipse tool. Hold shift, make one ellipse and click selection tool. Let's change name liquid 1, click enter. And go to here, let's click title action save enable. And let's move to center, press S, change scale. Okay. Then select this liquid, Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's again Ctrl D for duplicate. Select these liquids, press P, make new position keyframe. And go to 1 second. Let's move to left this liquid and move to right this. And select this liquid 3, move to here. Okay, then go to first second, select this liquid 3, hold shift, press S, make scale keyframe, go to here and change scale 100 and select this, go to first second, liquid 2, hold shift, press S, make scale keyframe, go to last keyframe, change scale 95. Then select these all keyframes, make easy, go to graph editor, select this graph, move to left, let's see. Okay, go to again keyframes, select these liquid 3 keyframes, move to right, let's see. Okay, nice. Then let's close keyframes and right mouse, new, let's create new adjustment layer, add name effects. And go to effects preset, search effect fast, select this fast box blur, let's use for this adjustment layer, and change blur radius, let's change 55. Then go to effects preset, search effect matte choker, and select this matte choker, let's use again for adjustment layer, let's see. Okay, let's change softness 0. Okay, let's change 1. Okay, and we can change here like this, 0 or 1. Okay, not bad. Let's go to here and change this choke 1. Let's change 0. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's preview. Nice, change quality to full. Okay, nice. Then let's make background. Select these all layers, right mouse, precoms, add name liquid, click OK. And right mouse, new, solid, add name background, click OK. Move to back, this composition. Go to effects presets, search effect fill. And let's use this fill for this background solid layer and change color like this. Let's close title action save, let's see. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.